Welcome to part 2 of the walkthrough for the 2017-18 SHSAT. Today we're doing Form A, Mathematics, questions 68 through 79. Let's get started. Alright, first question, we have a chart. We have to figure out how many vehicles had at least 3 people. There's a total of 420. So we have 15%, 7%, and 3%, which is 25%. 25% of 420 we multiply. Let's see, that is 105. So our answer is G. Number 69. Okay, we have to find out what? The surface area not including the base, right? So the area of this triangle here is going to be what? 8 is the base, 6 is the height, divided by 2. 6 times 8, 48, divided by 2 is 24. And 24, there's 4 of these, so we end up with 96. Okay, number 70. The perimeter of a rectangle is 510. The ratio is 3 to 2. So we need to find one of these with a ratio of 3 to 2. Let's start on the bottom. 165 to 90. This is what? 270. This is way bigger. That's not it. Alright, let's try G. Let's see, 3 out of 2, 158 over 97. Again, this isn't even 300, this is like 316, so that's not it. Okay, so far it's not G, it's not H. Let's try F. 153 over 102. This is 306, this is 306, there it is. Alright, so you're just trying to find equal fractions. Alright, so 70 is F. Let's go down to 71. Alright, number line. So we can't have this fraction in our number line, so we're going to multiply everything by 2. So we end up with negative 4 is less than x. I'm sorry, this is going to be negative 8. We have to multiply everything times 2. So negative 4 less than x less than 4. Which one of these shows that? D. Alright, here's negative 8, and here's positive 4. So our answer is D. Okay, 72. We have dollars and logs. We want to convert everything to dollars. So 140 logs divided by 7 is 20 bucks. So we have 20, and then we have half a dollar, so that would be double it, so 32. And that is 52 if you add them together. Alright, 73. A box of colored pencils has 6 red pencils. We don't know how many there are total. It has to equal 2/7. So times 3 will give us 6, so x is equal to 21. What do we want to find out? How many are not red? So 21 minus 6 is 15. Alright, you want to be careful at the bottom there, right? We found 21, and they have 21 as an answer, so you really have to just take a few seconds to make sure you're answering the question they're asking. Okay? 74. The sum of x, y, and z is equal to 50. Let's see. X over y is equal to 1 over 4. And y over z is equal to 4 over 5. Alright. So we're adding these. So let's just start at the bottom again with 20. So this is y. So if y is 20, x is going to be equal to 5. And if y is 20 here times 5, z is going to be 25. So 5 plus 20 plus 25, that's 50. Bam. Glad we started at the bottom. Alright, so that was easy enough. The next one is a little bit hard to see on my copy here, but the shaded portion they're talking about is this right here. If you got this from my website, right? If you don't have the test, you can print it out. There's a link in the description below, nymathtutor.com. You can print this for free or download it, whatever you want to do. But this doesn't show up very well on my copy. So this is the shaded portion. And all we have to do is find the area of that. All right, so this is a square of 1. Half of that is going to be 0.5, which is B. All right. So this is a tricky problem. So we've got 45% of the population is female. 60% of the population commutes to work. And then of that 60, right, 21 are female, right? So how many are male in this situation? We have, what, 39 left over, okay? So we want to know how many males do not commute, right? So how many males are there total? If there's 45 female, there's going to be 55 male, and we just subtract the 39. And that's going to leave us, what, 16? So our answer is, for 76F, 16. Okay. A couple problems left to go here. We're going to go all the way to 79. All right, 77. So she bought 5 bottles of water for 90 cents. That's $4.50. 8 pounds of meat. Okay. She paid a total of $26.90. So this is going to be plus 8 times X for the meat equals $26.90. We have to subtract our $4.50. Gives us $2.40. Divide that by 8. I'm sorry, $22.40. Is that all I did there? Yeah, just forgot about that part. So now we just have to divide $22.40 divided by 8, and we're going to get $2.80. Okay, so in a sample of cards we have what here? 4 red. Let's go ahead and do it in color. 4 red, and we have 6 blue. Okay. 2 cards are selected at random. What is the probability that both are not blue? So we're looking for red cards. So the first time you take a card out, it's going to be 4 out of 10. Right? But the second time, there's only 3 red cards left, and there's only 9 cards total because we took 1 out. Right? So we just multiply this, we get 12 over 90, which is not one of the answers. So we have to simplify, let's see here, 6 out of 45. If we divide it by 2, now we divide by, I guess, 3, will give us 2 out of 15, which is E. Okay. All right, so if your answer is not there, look to see if you can simplify if it's a fraction. That'll usually work out if you've done it correctly. All right, last one we're going to do today is 79. So we're looking for the most valuable currency, right? So when you do most valuable currency, you want the one with the least number, right? So if $1 is worth 10 kerplunks, a dollar is worth more than a kerplunk, right? So lorgs have 4 to 1 cent, so lorgs are out, but lorgs aren't on our list. Plunks, dolts are more, so dolts are out. Sins are more than harps, so sins are out. Plunks, harps are more than plunks, so harps are out, and we are left with our answer of plunks. Okay, that's all for part 2. I hope you found that useful. Check us back for part number 3.